welcome you all for the first ever Klizer AI Club Chennai edition event.
I'm Chitra. I work as a product manager in the company called IIT Madras. I'm looking for TCS. I will engineering manager there. I just wanted to know how AI is going to impact or how it's going to enable the product management side. I'm glad to be here to update myself with AI. Came here to get insights on the upcoming trends in AI.
So every industry expects their AI solution to be an expert. So how do you train an AI agent to be an expert is when you feed it with good quality data. So this graph is a testament that you need to have good data. Only when you have good data, your AI will be able to give expert and accurate solutions.
So here's the thing, traditional softwares, right? If anybody has written any software program, you can just go to the code and understand, okay, this is the logic and this is how it works. You can reason it. But the thing with AI is we can't reason with them because we have grown them. We have not built them, okay? There's a difference.
It changes the text format, so the tone it speaks, right? Like you can see your
Thanks for Klizer to organizing this event, AI event, and I learned many new technology in AI, how to use it, and they taught us what AI faces, their feedbacks, and how AI fails in upcoming generations. I explained lively how to use AI technology to know things like prompting, and I learned future engineering. It's new to me actually.
ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸில் எனக்கு இப்போது ஒரு கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் கிடைச்சிச்சு. மேபி மூலியமாக ஒரு பில்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணி அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கோடிங்கே இல்லாமல் நான் கோடிங் சைட் நிறையா வாய்ப்பு இருக்குன்னு நான் நம்புகிறேன்.
We are looking forward for the more sessions over here and we look for all of your continuous support.
So we just started with Chennai and we have a larger plan to increase this event across different cities in India as well as US. Thank you everyone for joining.